Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook comment will appear when online problem. So you can see this is the problem that I faced. So in this situation just go for your Play Store first and you need to update your Facebook if it's available here. So I have updated already and go for settings and go for apps and notification and Facebook. Go for stores and cache. Click on clear cache. When it's clear, then make sure your Wi-Fi or data is on. Okay, when it's available, then go for this uh, command. If I go for again command to command, and you can see this is already posted and this is already posting now. Okay, you can see it's now fixed. So this is how you can fix the problem when already you are on online problem. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.